What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another motovlog. We're here with MX Udi today at one of my favorite tracks. I haven't been here in like over 6 months, so excited to be back and rip some laps with my buddy. Felt good. Some of these I feel like I'm ripping them. That thing's loud. I don't know if my man's on a 250, 350. He just said that so far. I'm just sending them to flat. I think we're both pushing each other's speed. This guy's ripping, I love it. Can hardly hear myself say. Let's go! Most fun I've had at this track in a long time, baby. Parts is keeping my camera clean, dude. Whoa. So much fun. My arms are gassed, bro. Because I know this track so well, it's not really difficult. It's not like a difficult ride for me anymore. I just love having fun. Woo! around. Trying to get our corner speed up, drifting. I don't know if jumping over those braking bumps takes more energy out of me, or if it sucks up. I can't even talk right now. I don't know if it takes out more of my energy because I'm holding on to the bike so much when I'm wheeling it, or if it takes the energy out of my arms because I'm like, I don't have to deal with the chop, 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 chop. That shit all the way to flat. If you don't know him already, the guy in front of me is my buddy MX Hootie. Woo, damn, bro, he sent that shit so hard. Just jumping these things to flat. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yeah, that's so sick, dude. This track, even though it's just like a highway and I'm riding on concrete in most of the spots. Woo! I have so much fun here. Uh-oh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now that was sketchy. Little homie crossed right on the jump face. Always be looking ahead, people. If I would have jumped, both me and little homie would have been done for. both me and Udi are just messing around with each other. Practicing our whips. Let's go, Udi. Yes, sir. Let's get that two-stroke ripping, baby. Yeah, so my friend in front of me is my buddy MX on YouTube. I'd be really surprised if you haven't heard of him. He's all over TikTok, all over YouTube these days. He's an awesome guy. Go check out his videos. Bro, there's no way my dirt bike can breathe. That air filter has got to be so destroyed. These conditions are ridiculous. Oh! Oh my God! Y'all, this is not good for your lungs. I don't even want to breathe through those dusty sections. Dude, I feel so good on this thing. Even though it's super dry, dusty, and then slippery in some spots, I'm feeling so good on this thing today. Like, this thing just absolutely rips out of the corners. I can absolutely feel that the bike is slower because of all the dust on the air filter. But even so, this YZ250F is just a beast, man. That might have been my best one yet. That one felt good. Woo! Oh, dude, that was a good one. Sketchy. Woo! You alright? Oh no. Yes, sir, I've done that. I feel your pain, brother.